Assalamu alaikum and welcome again. Now we are continuing work with the Information and Communication Technology 0417. We are working on the specimen paper 2 for the 2020. Now we have to work by the presentation task. Here in page 11, it is talking about task 5 presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting, unless otherwise instructed. Slides must display a title and bulleted list. Now, create a presentation of 6 slides using the file SP2 eval.rtf. As you know, RTF is a file in the Microsoft Word, but we have to import this file to our PowerPoint presentation. Now we have to go for a new slide in the blank slide and slides from outline. Here I have to get my presentation. It is in here. Now the presentation, the PowerPoint has brought the slides. We have 7 slides, but they are talking about 6 slides. So I have to delete the blank slide here. Just I click on the slide and delete. By this, we have just only 6 slides as instructed. Back to my question paper, format slide 1 so that a title slide layout is applied. Title and subtitle are centered on the slide. Your name appears after text summary of key findings by. Okay. This is the first slide. In the layout, I take the title slide. It's already centered, as you see, and I have to add my name right here. So it will be Hadil Yusuf, just only my name. And I click on save. Okay. Now, question 34. Use a master slide to display the following features, only which must appear consistently on all slides. Once we say master slide, so it will be on all slides. Company logo, which is saved as SP2 logo. We have to use it. Also, your name, center number, candidate number, automatic slide numbers in the top of the right corner. Then make sure no features are displayed. Okay. No other features are displayed. Now we go to our PowerPoint and in the view we find slide master. I have to check that I am in the right slide master number 1. Then I have to delete these objects. I don't need them. I have to replace them by my objects. Then from the folder of the supporting files, I have logo. I can just drag drop here. I have to use this as a logo. I can just fix it and put it in the correct place. Here there is no overlapping. Okay, so this will be okay. No overlapping. The logo is inserted. I have to insert my name. So insert text box. Here in the footer, I add my name, center number, candidate number. Okay, let's find out automatic slide number on the top right corner. So I will put the logo right here. The title will be here, and I will add insert slide number. I have to add text box before I insert the slide number. Here inside the text box, I just add the slide number from here, and this is the symbol for the slide number. As you see, it's between the chevrons, we have the hash sign. Okay, save your work, and here in the slide master, just to close it, I have the logo in all slides right here. Okay, and we have the slide number, but as you see, we have 2 lines for the title. I have to fix it. I will go to the view slide master, and here I will fix the logo size and resize the title. Okay, save, close. Then all the titles are in one line. There is no text wrapping. Okay, now I can back to the question paper. No other features are displayed like other symbols or lines or shapes. So I am in the safe side, using data in the table SP2 duration to create vertical bar chart to show the duration of apprenticeships in 2017 by subject area. We have a label for the chart and also label for the axes, the value and the category. Let's first do the chart, the vertical bar chart. Now, this is the duration file. Now we have, this is the 2017, these are the subjects, and okay, the duration. I can do the following. It is bar chart, so I can get the titles of the subjects. I press on my keyboard on Control, and at the same time I highlight 2017 duration for the training. Now insert vertical bar chart and click here. So I have the subjects here, the values, the duration, and I have the chart title. If I want to change the subject values here, the category axis, I just click on the category axis and I can select data. Here I can edit the names and select if I want to change the source of my data, but we will not do that, just to mention how to do it. Okay, now we have to change the chart title to use average apprenticeship duration. Now we have to add it here. Okay, and we have to use duration months between brackets for the value axis. As you see here, add chart element. For the axis titles, we need primary horizontal and primary vertical. Here is the value axis, duration months. I take it as rotated, and here For the category axis, we will take subject area. Done. We have to stick to the instructions carefully. Then, format the value axis scale to display minimum 0, maximum 28, and the increment as measure unit to be 4. Okay. Here, my value axis and format axis. The minimum 0, maximum 28. My measure unit of increment will be 4. And as you see, it is changed right here. 0, 28, and this is the multiples of 4. Now display the values as data labels on each bar. Don't display the legend. Okay. We have no legend already, and just click on the bar, add data labels. Now we have on the top of each bar the value. Then place the chart to the left of the bullet points on slide with the title average duration by subject area. So I have to make a copy for my chart and back to my PowerPoint to find this is the average duration by subject area. It should be to the left. So I have to shrink this and make it as half size of the slide to the right. Then I insert my chart to make it to the left. There is no overlapping, and I can just fix the size like here. We can fix the font size like this. So this is done. Back to the question paper. Save the presentation and print presentation with 6 slides to the page. I will save here. Then we have to make the printout as instructed. Here is the print. To make it as 6 slides as here, I have to make it rather than full page slides. Here the 6 slides. We have the 6 slides, and we can just print. Then make sure that your candidate number. Now I can just add some examples of instructions. If they asked us to make some notes for the speaker notes, I can just add it here. I can write, this is my note in slide number 3, and I want to print this slide number 3 with the note section. I just do it like this, print, and rather than print all slides, it will be current slide, but not in handout. It will be notes pages. So I have the slide with the note. I can now print this style of printing. Also, if I want just to print this slide with the chart, I can make it as print, and rather than notes pages, I can just do it full page slide, and it will be just only the current slide and print. Now, if they asked us to make the presentation with infinite show until we press on escape. So we have to do it as the following. In the slideshow, we have the setup slideshow option here, then loop continuously until escape. This is one of the tricks and the questions that we may have in our external exams. Then okay. Also, if we are asked to make some transition, here is the transition and you can just apply the transition. If you are asked to make it as snap or the snipping tool, you just use the snipping. Let me work on snip. Yes, just like this. This is the snip that you can work on. If they asked you to make some animation for the text, you click on the text and go for animation, fade. Here is the text and it will work as 1, 2, 3, line after line or sentence after sentence, paragraph after paragraph. So these are mainly the steps and the instructions in our PowerPoint presentation. Easygoing questions, but you have to be very specific with the instructions to get your full mark. Good luck and see you again, inshallah.